Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Welcome our new viewers and to our returning viewers, welcome back. Today we're going to make brown stew fish. If you find this video informative, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. To start, we have here some red snapper. I went ahead and I rinsed with vinegar. I also went ahead and scale and also got the fish. So brown stew fish is easy to make. As Jamaicans would say, you just fry the fish and cook it down. But I am going to show you how it's done step by step. So if you're liking the video so far, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. So these are some perfect size fish. So to brown stew the fish, I would normally cut my fish in half. But depending on your personal preference, you can leave the fish as a whole, or you can also go ahead and slice your fish in half. So we're just going to move on to slicing the fish, and afterwards we're going to season the fish. I also prepare right here some vegetables. So I have scallion, onion, Irish potato, carrot, scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, and the works. So we have a lot of vegetables here. So you can also use your vegetables of choice. So to brown stew the fish, you first have to fry the fish. Frying the fish can be a challenge for some people because it's not everybody can fry fish. Some people, when they fry fish, you basically have to scoop out the fish out of the pot. That was me once. I never know how to fry fish. But I recently uploaded a video on how to make the perfect fried fish. You can click this link in the top right corner and it will show you the step by step and also some tips on how to achieve perfect fried fish Jamaican style. So you can check that video out. Then you can come back to this video on how to make the brown stew fish. Alright, so after slicing the fish, I'm going to season. So you can use Maggi all-purpose season, or you can also go ahead and use your fish season if you have that readily available. So today I'm going to use the Maggi all-purpose season. I'm also going to drizzle some salt. Next, I'm also going to add some blended green season. So if you have only the powdered season, you can go ahead and use your powdered season with the salt. Or if you want to just use your blended green season, that's perfectly okay. After adding the season, I'm just going to massage the season, distribute it all over the fish. Then I'm going to cover the fish and allow it to marinate. So with frying the fish, you want to ensure that when you're frying the fish, you want to ensure that there's no vegetable seasoning on the fish. So for example, no scallion, no onion, no garlic, no pimento seed. Ensure that you remove all the vegetable seasoning from the fish before adding it to the hot oil. You also want to ensure that you pat dry the fish to remove the excess water from the fish, right? So those are two key important um tips when you're frying fish or to get that perfect fried fish. So as I said before, you can click the link in the top right corner so you can check the video out on how to make perfect fried fish Jamaican style. So after the oil is hot, you're just going to add your fish to the frying pan and allow the fish to fry until it is golden brown on both sides. So you see how they're able to move around in the frying pan. They are not sticking. So that happens when the frying pan is very hot and the oil is also hot. All right, so we're all done with the fried fish. So moving on to the brown stew fish. So to the frying pan, we're going to saute our vegetables. So you could saute your onion, scallion, garlic, and sweet pepper first, and afterwards you could add your Irish potatoes and carrots, but it doesn't really matter. Anyone works. Whichever you feel comfortable doing, you can go ahead and do that. But this is what I'm doing. I add everything to the frying pan. I'm going to saute until I extract that flavor. Then afterwards, I'm going to season the vegetables just a little bit by adding some all-purpose season. You could add the season of your choice. Afterwards, to make the sauce or the gravy, you're going to add some water. I'm also going to add some soya sauce, all-purpose soya sauce. You could also add the hot pepper soya sauce, whichever one works for you. And I'm also going to add some ketchup to thicken. And what I like to do is to add about a tablespoon of barbecue sauce to my gravy, right? So we're just going to turn the flame on medium to high heat to allow the sauce to thicken, because una love a lot of gravy. I know I love a lot of gravy, right? So we're just going to allow the sauce to thicken and also allow the vegetables to cook, especially the carrots and the Irish. So we're just going to leave it there, turn the flame on medium to high heat, and let that sauce thicken. So as you can see, the sauce is coming on and it's thickening. So what I'm doing now is to place the fish in the sauce. So you want to ensure that you place the fish in when the vegetables are almost done, right? You don't want to place the fish in before the vegetables start to cook, because the fish is going to get too saggy, and you don't want that unless you do want that, right? So you want to place the fish in there when the vegetables are almost cooked, because the fish don't need to cook again. It just need to be simmered down into that sauce, right? So you're just going to distribute the sauce over the fish, and you're just going to let it sit in there for about a minute or two based on your preference, right? But you don't want it to be sitting in the sauce for too long, right? So I just distribute the sauce over the fish, and I am going to cover my pot and allow the sauce to simmer. And this is our brown stew fish. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If it was informative, give the video a thumbs up. And we're going to plate. So I just paired this brown stew fish with some rice and peas. And guys, this was my Sunday dinner. It was absolutely delicious. Guys, comment below and let me know if you are a fan of steamed fish, or comment below and let me know if you are a brown stew person or if you are a fried fish person. Comment below and let me know if you like it, if you like your fish steam, brown stew, or fried, or even escabeche. Comment below and let me know. Also, guys, if you'd like to see me make some escabeche fish or some curry fish or steamed fish or roasted fish, comment below and let me know what type fish do you like me to prepare. I do hope this video was informative. I do hope that you learn how to fry fish and also how to make Jamaican style brown stew fish. If you did, comment below and let me know. Guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And if you're watching the video or watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And guys, thank you so much for the support, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.